Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah, and today I want to take you through a day in my life as a busy university student. So let's start right from the morning. Every weekday, I wake up early, around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is make my bed and brush my teeth. After that, I head to the kitchen and make myself a quick breakfast, usually toast and eggs, which I enjoy with my family. It's my little moment of peace before a busy day starts. Before leaving, I always check my schedule to see if there are any important meetings or assignments I need to prepare for. At 8 o'clock, I leave for university. I usually take the bus, and the ride takes about 30 minutes. On the bus, I love listening to music or reading a book to pass the time. It really helps me get ready for the day ahead. Once I reach university, my day gets really packed. I usually have 4 or 5 classes every day. My favorite subject is biology. I just love learning about plants, animals, and how our bodies work. Sometimes we even do experiments in the lab, which is so exciting. I also really enjoy my English literature class because I get to read interesting stories and share my thoughts with my classmates. I love how everyone has different ideas. It makes studying more fun. Around lunchtime, I meet my friends in the cafeteria. We sit together, chat, share food, and make plans for the weekend. Sometimes, if we have group projects, we use this time to discuss our ideas and divide our work. After lunch, it's back to lectures, or sometimes I head to the library to research for my assignments. It's a lot of work, but I really enjoy learning new things. In the evening, I finally come back home, usually a little tired, but happy. I have dinner with my family, and we always talk about how our day went. After dinner, I help my younger brother with his homework. It's a nice way to spend time together. Sometimes, if I have time, I go for a short walk in the park near my house. It helps me relax and clear my mind before bed. Before going to sleep, I spend some time reading a novel or listening to my favorite songs. It's my way to unwind. I also write a to-do list for the next day. It really helps me stay organized. My days can be busy and sometimes a little stressful, but I truly believe that with hard work and good time management, I can achieve my goals. Thank you so much for spending a day with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing what my busy student life looks like. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a day with me. I'd love to hear about your daily routine too, so tell me in the comments below. See you in the next video.